Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your #1 spot for crypto news, updates, and market insights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat in the fast-moving world of crypto. Alright, let's get into it. The crypto market has been in a bit of a holding pattern lately. Bitcoin is still consolidating just below its all-time high, and investors are watching the charts and waiting for the next big move. But the real story this week? It's all about key catalysts that could shake up the market, and 3 altcoins that are set to make headlines: Bonk, Aptos, and Pi Network. Stick around, you'll want to hear this. Let's start with the bigger picture first. Right now, the crypto market is holding steady, but under the surface, there's a lot brewing. Bitcoin, the bellwether for the entire industry, is hovering just below its all-time high, and that's no small feat. Investors are cautiously optimistic, but many are waiting to see if BTC can break through or if this rally is starting to lose steam. But here's where it gets interesting, the 2 big macro events everyone's watching this week. First, we've got the Federal Reserve minutes being released. These could offer new insight into the Fed's thinking around interest rates, inflation, and economic growth. If there's even a hint of dovishness, suggesting that rate cuts might be coming sooner, we could see a surge in risk assets, including crypto. Second, there's Donald Trump's upcoming tariff deadline on July 9th. Depending on how that plays out, it could have a ripple effect across global markets. Trade tensions or new tariffs could push investors towards alternative assets like Bitcoin and gold. So yeah, while prices might look stable right now, the next few days could bring some serious volatility. Now, let's zoom in on the 3 altcoins you need to have on your radar this week. Starting with one that's turning heads in the Solana ecosystem. Pushpin Bonk, Solana's meme coin on fire. First up, we've got Bonk, the biggest meme coin in the Solana, SOL, ecosystem, and it's been absolutely surging. Bonk has posted gains for 5 straight days, pushing its price to levels we haven't seen since May 23rd. That's a big deal in the meme coin world, where hype and momentum drive the charts. Technically speaking, Bonk has moved above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, currently sitting at $0.00002095. Even more impressively, it's approaching a key resistance point at $0.000025, which was the high back on May 12th. But here's where things get bullish. Bonk is now trading above its 50-day and 100-day moving averages. That's a classic signal that buyers are taking control. We're also seeing both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the MACD pushing higher, reinforcing the bullish momentum. So what does this mean? If this rally continues, Bonk's next target is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. At $0.00003453. If it breaks that, we could be looking at another leg up, and that's huge for short-term traders. Next up, let's talk about Aptos, a top-tier Layer 1 project that's been struggling lately. And this week? It's facing a potentially bearish catalyst, a $50 million token unlock. If you've been in crypto for a while, you know how token unlocks usually go. They often flood the market with new supply, which can drive the price down, and that's exactly what traders are bracing for. Let's talk numbers. Aptos has been in a downtrend for most of this year. Back in November, it was trading as high as $15.28. Today, it's down to about $4.48, that's a steep drop. From a technical perspective, it's not looking great either. Aptos is currently trading below both its 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, and it's locked in a descending channel pattern. The MACD is sitting below the zero line, and the RSI has slipped under the neutral 50 mark. All signs are pointing to further downside, and if this token unlock triggers more selling, the next support level to watch is the year-to-date low of $3.82. That's a critical line in the sand. A breakdown below that could open the doors to even lower levels. Pushpin Pi Network, bounce or breakdown. Last but not least, we've got Pi Network, a project that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and not always for the best reasons. Pi recently tumbled to a low of 46 cents, and here's why that's important. That level marks a key support zone. It's the same price the token touched back in both April and June. So, this could be a make or break moment for Pi. There's also a Bollinger Band squeeze happening. That means the price has been consolidating, and the bands have narrowed, which usually signals that a big move is coming. It's like a coiled spring waiting to snap. Now, if the token holds above that critical 46-cent support, we could see a short-term rebound. The next logical resistance level? $1, a psychological milestone and a price that has acted as resistance in the past. So for Pi Network holders and traders, this week is all about watching that 46 cents line. If it breaks down, trouble. But if it holds, we might see some fireworks. So there you have it, Bitcoin is still consolidating, but the real action this week is in the altcoin space. Bonk is looking bullish, Aptos is facing pressure from its token unlock, and Pi Network is hanging on to key support. And remember, with the Fed minutes and Trump's tariff decision both on deck this week, the broader market could swing fast. Whether you're trading short-term or investing long-term, it's critical to stay informed and be ready to react. Make sure to drop a comment below. Which of these altcoins are you watching this week? And what's your take on the broader market? Thanks for watching. If you found this update helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow crypto traders. We'll be back soon with more insights, price analysis, and market forecasts. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep stacking that knowledge.